guys, it's Lit, and I'm back. Yeah, and you know, I'm back. It's Lit. Let's pick our first one. Oh, I picked two. So we got, let's not open it back. Let's just see. So we got My Little Pony. This is another one, then I'm not going to pick it. And a Minion one. We got a Minion one in the last one. So we got this Minion. I got him out of the cereal box, so yeah. Let's open up this one. Maybe I should cut that. Got My Pony. Oh, did I cut the pony? It's one of the flippin' Flam Brothers. I think I already got one, but I don't know. Was it one? Yes. Oh, yeah. Bye. See you next video. This is our third video. 2 more to go.